14 children in India are dead, and the cough syrup that killed them could be in your medicine cabinet right now. The latest pharma scandal involves a company called Sreesan Pharma, whose Coldrift syrup was found to contain industrial-grade antifreeze. But this isn't just a problem in India. The global pharmaceutical supply chain is a tangled mess of shell companies and unregulated factories where profits are prioritized over safety. The ingredients in your pills could come from a dozen different countries with little to no oversight. This tragedy is a direct result of Big Pharma's relentless pursuit of lower costs no matter the human price. While the FDA is distracted by the government shutdown, more tainted drugs are slipping through the cracks. Are you willing to bet your life on a system that values profits over people?